Good morning, students. This is your third language class. This is your first class. And I know that you are eagerly waiting for this class. This is your French class. So you have already learned about three languages like Hindi, English and Bengali. So apart from that language, this is also your language, and you will learn this language as your third language. This is French language. It is the sweetest and finest language in all over world. So I am going to start with the French alphabet language, A to Z, with pronunciation. So please listen carefully whatever I am going to teach you right now, okay? And after that, after this French alphabet, after knowing this French alphabet, you have to go through regularly at home, okay? And if you have any doubt, if you have any problem while doing pronunciation, while doing this French language, French alphabet, you have to follow my video, okay? So I will start. Please enjoy. French alphabets. There are 26 alphabets in French, A to Z. So let's start with the A. So in the A alphabet, A, capital A, along with the small a, all are same. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, all are same pronunciations. Okay? So start with the A. A-H. I have written already there, the pronunciation I have already written. Look at your board. I have already mentioned the pronunciation. A-H. That means A. In English, if I write A-H, so what does it pronounce? A. Okay? So in French, when you tell A, that means A. A. Then B. Bay. Bay. C. Say. Say. D. They. They. D-A-Y. So D-A-Y in English is what? Day. So you have to pronounce they. They. Okay? Then E. E is a little bit, tough. E means Then F. 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 E double F. F. So I am again repeating, okay? A. Then bay. Bay. Then say. Say. They. They. F. F. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. G. J. J. H. Ash. Ash. I. E. E. J. G. G. K. Ka. Ka. L. L. E. L. L. I'm repeating. J. Ash. E. G. Ka. L. J. Ash. E. G. Ka. L. J. Ash. E. G. Ka. L. Okay? Now come to the third part. M. Am. Am. E. M. Am. Then N. An. 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 E-N. An. Then O. 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 P. Pay. Pay. Q. 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 R. Air. Air. So an, O, pay, Q, air. An, O, pay, Q, air. Okay? So I'm repeating again. A, be, se, de, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, U, P, Q, R. Okay? You have to go through regularly at home. So come to the next part. S, 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 T, 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 U, 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 V, 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 V. So I am repeating. S means ES. S, S, not S. S. T, T, T-A-Y. T. U, 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 E-W, U. V, V, V-A-Y, V. Come to the last part. W. W means what here? It's very interesting alphabet. When you are writing W, W means what? V and again V. So there are two V. I am writing twice. So you have to use double V. So in French they call double. In French they call double. Okay? And double means double. And V means V. So double. Okay? So double. W means double. Double means what? Double. And I am writing double V. So they told double V. Okay? Then X. X means, X. French pronunciation is X. X. Double E-X. X. Double E-X. X. Y. Y. Grec. G-R-E-C-K. Grec. And then again before that E. So E. Grec. E. Grec. Okay? The last alphabet is Z. So they told Z. Z-E-D. Z. Okay? I'm telling you again. Okay? S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So there are 26 alphabets, and I think you have already enjoyed. So I am telling you, last time I am telling you from A to Z. Okay? In French, not in English. Okay? When you are learning French at your home, so you have to use only French. You do not pronounce in English any English word. Okay? When you are doing French class. So I am repeating once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, U, P, Q, बे, से, दे, एफ, जे, आश, ई, जी, का, एल, एम, एन, ओ, पे, क्यू, एल. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So today you learned about French alphabet A to Z. Okay? That's all for the day. You have to go through at your home regularly. Okay? And when you are learning this French language, do not use any other language at home. Okay? Thank you.